This video is for anybody considering a career as a design manager at a construction company. Design managers play an important role. They are ultimately responsible for the development of the project technical solution, known as the design, and then working with the construction team to implement it during the construction phase. Design is one of the biggest risks on construction projects. Companies face issues like overall feasibility, scope creep, and cost blowouts as an infrastructure project moves from an idea to reality. A project may get financing and a construction contract awarded off as little as a 15% design. This 15% design is often little more than a handful of sketches to prove a concept, give a rough idea of what is getting built, and show that it will achieve the project objectives. The design will typically be completed by an external consultancy that the design manager needs to manage. As it progresses through the design revisions to ready for construction, things change significantly and unexpected events or circumstances arise. Furthermore, the design needs to be developed in accordance with the overall schedule and budget. It is the role of the design manager to ensure a ready-for-construction design is developed that meets all of the project objectives and fulfills the core requirements. This requires the design manager to have a solid technical understanding across multiple disciplines, but also have strong project management skills. The design manager's role does not finish once the design is ready to be built. They then need to work hand in hand with the construction team to see that it's implemented. As construction commences, changes will arise and errors and omissions in the design will be identified. The construction team will make the design manager aware of these changes through RFIs or requests for information. They will send the design manager a form showing the issue with the design or what they are requesting to change. The design manager must respond to these requests and work with design consultants to provide guidance to the construction team on how best to resolve them. The design manager then needs to compile all of these changes into a set of as-built drawings that form the final design revision. Design managers are ultimately responsible for ensuring the successful delivery of one of the biggest risk items on construction projects.